Hi folks, Ben from Snowy's today showing you this handy little item. It's the Tiegear Sail Track Loop.
Hit it.
This bit of gear is simply a nylon loop with 4 and 6mm sail track attachments. It's perfect for adding additional anchor points to any sail track in your camp setup. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. Now this handy little bit of kit only weighs 20 grams. They're sold as a pair. They measure about 14 centimeters and 2.5 centimeters in width here, so you barely even know they are in your kit. Now they're made with a webbing that runs around here, and then on the end here you've got sort of 2 keta strips sewn in, and it's really well sewn in. It's all double stitched through here, and you've got 2 different sizes of sail track attachment here, so a 4mm one and a 6mm one. So the 6mm one is what's commonly used, and that's what's on the awning behind me that I'm going to show you shortly. On the other end of that, just a loop, so you can attach anything you want to this loop here. Now to set these up, if I come up to the awning I've got behind me here, now on this awning, on this side, I've got a 6mm sail track sitting here. This is to attach awning extenders and various things to the awning. You also find these on rooftop tents, caravans. You can even buy this stripping at a hardware shop if you like, and attach it to a roof rack so you can add things to the side of your vehicle. In this instance, I'm going to attach this little loop in here to add an extra attachment point for a guy rope or to hang things off of. So to put it on, really simple, I'm going to use the 6mm attachment here, slide it in the end of the sail track here, and it just slides along. That's now securely attached in there. I'm going to be able to put plenty of tension on that. It's not going to pop out. The only instance it might pop out is if you're running sideways this way, and it might slide out the end. But if I've got a guy rope attached to this coming straight out this way, that's a really secure attachment. So I could now grab a guy rope. So I've got a guy rope here, I've got a little clip on the end. I can attach the clip through here if I like, and peg that out as an extra anchor point on my awning if I liked. Alternatively, I could use it just as a hanging point. If I've got maybe a camp kitchen or something that I want to hang down here, I've got a hanging point there. I could use it to hang a lantern. So I've just got a lantern with a hook here, loop that through, nice secure attachment for my lantern there, and an attachment point that's easy to add and remove. Got a larger lantern here as well. Obviously weight's not so much of an issue with a hook of this sort of capacity. The only thing you're limited by with weight, I suppose, is what I'm trying to say, is how strong the frame is. But I've got a slightly larger lantern here at the moment with a bit of a rubber loop. I just put the loop through here and attach this back to the other side, anchor that down, and I've now attached a larger lantern. Now that's well within the limits of what this is going to be able to handle. So I've now got my lantern securely attached to my awning or wherever I've got my sail track that I want to hang things off of. So that is the Tiegear Sail Track Loop. Sold in a pair, handy little addition. If you've got a sail track on your awning, caravan, rooftop tent or whatever, this is going to allow you just an extra attachment point for all those accessories and things, or if the weather gets really bad, a place to add extra anchor points to make sure your shelter stays in place. Check these out online at snowys.com.au.